explorers, welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. So let us begin with the chapter number 21 of grammar, and the name of the chapter is story writing. So let us begin with the chapter story writing. First of all, let us say कि story writing actually होता क्या है, right? So a short story is the simplest form of composition. कि एक शॉर्ट स्टोरी जो है वो एक सबसे इजी फॉर्म है कॉम्पोजिशंस का. इट हैज़ द फॉलोइंग फीचर्स. इसमें ये सभी फीचर्स प्रेजेंट हैं. इट हैज़ लिमिटेड कैरेक्टर्स एंड सिचुएशंस, राइट. कि इसमें लिमिटेड कैरेक्टर्स और सिचुएशंस होते हैं, राइट. दे आर नॉट वेरी बिग, सो इसमें इतने ज़्यादा कैरेक्टर्स होते ही नहीं हैं. नेक्स्ट, द स्टोरी usually revolves around a single character in a single episode. कि जो स्टोरी है ये यूजुअली रिवॉल्व करती है सिर्फ एक ही सिंगल कैरेक्टर के आसपास या फिर एक सिंगल एपिसोड के आसपास, राइट. शॉर्ट स्टोरी राइटिंग नीड्स अ लॉट ऑफ प्रैक्टिस. कि शॉर्ट स्टोरी की जो राइटिंग्स होती हैं उनमें बहुत सारी प्रैक्टिसेस चाहिए होती हैं. Keep the following things in mind while writing a story. तो ये सभी चीज़ें माइंड में रखनी चाहिए जब हम एक स्टोरी लिख रहे हो. What are they? Let's just find out. Let your title be short and catchy. Try to include enough conversations. Let the climax give the reader a feeling of excitement, sorrow, or amusement. And let the final paragraph show that the story has ended without actually saying so. Right? कि अब जो आपका स्टोरी होती है उसको आपको एक टाइटल प्रोवाइड करना होता है जो कि बहुत ही ज़्यादा छोटा होना चाहिए और कैची, यानी कि उस पढ़ते ही रीडर अट्रैक्ट हो जाए to know more about the story, right? Next thing is try to conclude through conversation, यानी कि आप अपनी बातों के जरिए ही उस चीज का कंक्लूजन बता पाओ. करेक्ट. Let the climax give the reader a feeling of excitement, sorrow or amusement. यानी कि आपको जो अपने रीडर हैं उनको जो एक्साइटमेंट, जो सॉरो, जो फीलिंग दिखानी है वो आपको अपने वर्ड्स के थ्रू ही दिखानी पड़ेगी, राइट. Let the final paragraph show that the story has ended without actually saying so. कि फाइनल पैराग्राफ जो होता है ऑब्वियसली उसे ये बताना होता है कि स्टोरी जो है वो खत्म हो गई है, पर you can, or at the end you cannot write that the story has ended. You have to conclude it by the help of your vocabulary only. You have to use such words and as so that the reader may know that the story is about to end, right? Now, we have a lot more examples over here for the story writing. Let's read. The first example is the rich Jew and his poor neighbor. तो अब यहाँ पर हमें स्टोरी का जो टाइटल है वो ही कितना अट्रैक्टिव है कि एक रिच ज्यू है और उसकी पुअर नेबर है. तो अब इन दोनों के बीच में कैसे कनेक्शन है, लेट्स रीड द स्टोरी एंड फाइंड आउट, राइट. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हमें दी गई है आउटलाइन. ऑब्वियसली सबसे पहले हमें स्टोरी लिखने के लिए एक आउटलाइन दी जाएगी जिसे हमें समझते हुए थोड़ा सा अपने वर्ड्स ऐड करके उस स्टोरी को कंप्लीट करना है, राइट. सो लेट्स सी. A rich Jew, poor neighbor. Jew means a soothsayer. The Jew is told that his property would go to his neighbor, sells his property, and buys a big diamond. Sews it in his turban. One day, sailing in a boat, strong wind carries his turban away. Still not sad as the property would not now go to the neighbor. The neighbor buys a fish, cuts, finds the diamond in the fish. Right? So this was the outline of the story. अब जल्दी से स्टोरी को पूरा कंप्लीट कर दिया है तो उसे रीड करते हैं. So it is, once there lived a rich Jew. A poor neighbor lived near his house. One day, a soothsayer told him that his property would go to his neighbor. He was sad. He hated his neighbor. The Jew sold all his property and bought a big diamond ring. He sewed the ring in his turban. One day, when he was sailing in a boat, strong wind blew and carried away his turban into the river water. The Jew was not very sad, as he thought that his neighbor would now never get his property. A few days later, the poor neighbor bought a fish. When he cut the fish open, he found the diamond ring inside the fish. Right? So, next example, we have the story which is of two friends and the bear. तो इसके भी हमें outlines दिए गए हैं. Let's just start reading the outlines first. Two friends travel together, promise to help in danger. Through a forest, see a bear. One climbs up the tree, the other does not know how to climb. Thinks a plan, lies down on the ground, holds breath. Bear smells him, takes him for dead leaves. Friend comes down, asks what did bear say. Don't rely on false friends, feels ashamed. Right? Now let us read the story. So they say, once there lived two friends in a village. One day, they traveled together through a forest. They promised to help each other. They saw a bear coming towards them. They were frightened. One of them climbed up a tree. The other one did not know how to climb a tree. He knew the danger. He thought of a plan. He lay down on the ground. He held his breath. The bear smelt him. It took him to be dead and left him and went away. The first friend came down and asked what the bear had told him. The second friend replied, the bear advised me not to rely on false friends. The first friend felt ashamed. Right? Next example, let's read the last one. The wolf and the lamb. Again, we have the outline of the story first of all. So it says, a wolf, hungry and thirsty, sees a lamb drinking water in a stream. Wants to eat, invents an excuse to eat it, making water dirty. The lamb downstream invents other pretexts. Lamb abuses last year. Lamb 6 months. It must be your parents kills the lamb. Right? अब जल्दी से इन आउटलाइन से एक स्टोरी फ्रेम करते हैं. So, one day, a hungry and thirsty wolf saw a lamb drinking water in a stream. He wanted to eat the lamb, so he went to the lamb and said, "Why are you making water dirty?" The lamb said, "Sir, the water is running from you to me. How can I make water dirty?" The wolf invented other pretext and said, "Why did you abuse me last year?" The lamb said, "I am 6 months old. It must be your parents." Saying this, he killed the lamb. Right? So now you saw many more examples are given over here. Right? We have also read them and we have many more to practice our writing skills. Right? As you can see, much more examples are given. And at the end, we have some practice questions also so that you can enhance your writing skills. So, that was all from my side. I hope you all are clear with story writing and you'll be easily able to frame the stories now. Right? So, that was all from my side. Thank you so much and do have a great day ahead.